Hi and welcome to Ocean AI. This is a Forex market outlook for the week ahead for the 6th of February. First, we take a look at the euro on a weekly time frame. What we have here is a possible 135 pattern, which could see us back up into 128, 130 area. If we look at this ABCD, that takes us to 128.26. And if we look at this next ABCD, takes us up to the same area. So this would be a good place, I think, we're heading towards. Let's take a closer look. If we go into the 4 hour. We had this real nice rally. So with this last corrective wave here, and then that final drop into the level there. And now we've seen this quick rally. So what we want to see now is I'm going to do a smaller time frame, 30-minute. Now what we want to see is a pullback here to get long. Ideally around the 113.90 area, something like that. This 38 to 50% retracement, that would give us that ABCD. Give us that Gartley from here as well. That's what we look for in our setups. Going into Monday morning, we want to see it drop off and then look for it to buy somewhere around here. The other option is if it's got one more leg to go higher. We're going to 15-minute. Then we could see it just come down 50-60% here and then rally from there one more. But the reason I think we're going to come down is this here. We've got this corrective wave here, got an ABC here. So as well, I think we're going to have one more move down. That'll take us back down here. So that's the euro. We want to look for that. For higher prices than that. So we move on to the pound now. If we go to the daily, looking very similar here. So with the pound, we've already had the low down here. We've had the rally and the pullback. So same thing here. I think we're heading higher up towards that 139.50, 140 area. If we go into the hourly, so we might have already had this first correction here. There might even be one more leg lower. So obviously wait to see what happens Monday morning. If we can get one more move lower down to sort of 134.90 area, and then look for a rally there. The other option is we could come down here, back into here, one more leg lower, and then go higher. So either way, I think we're heading higher. It's just whether we're going to go from here, down from here, or we're going to get further correction back to 134.65 area, back to the 61%. So that's that one. The Aussie looking the same. So we've had that last low in here. So now looking for a move up. Same thing here. I think we might get one more little move down Monday morning, down to the 61%. This down to here. They're looking for at least an ABCD up to 72.44 area. yeah, so same thing. Monday morning's critical with a lot of these things. See where we're going, then find a level to get long, I think. Okay, the dollar yen. And dollar yen's got to go higher as well. But first we need to wait for this pullback, I think, down into the 50-60% retracement area, and then looking for higher prices there. So if we get back into here, I only need a risk of 30 points max. Yeah, but have a look, see what we're doing Monday, and then go from there. What else we got? Canadian. We go back to the daily on the Canadian. So the Canadian here as well, still looking for more upside here to complete these patterns here. A, B, C, D on this one. And then an A, B, C, D on this one. So this will be an area we're looking at to sell. But firstly, we can find a pullback to get long. That would be the best thing to do, I think. The other option is if it's going to be bearish. Yeah, we're at the 61% now, so we've hit that twice. So if we head lower and take out this low, then we'll probably go a little bit lower before we go up again, or even lower. So as it stands, look for a pullback to go long. Yeah, much more on that one. The Aussie yen, I think, is quite a good one to look at. On the daily, we've had this big run up from the COVID lows last year. We've had the high, so now looking for the correction back down to 76 and a half area. That's this ABCD here. So we had the first move back, we've had this ABCD Gartley, and now we're looking for this move down here. So we go into the smaller time frame, into the hourly. Get rid of that. So on the hourly time frame here, we've already had this ABCD Gartley. This is a really nice setup. So we've had it's a good example here. So we've had the ABCD back into that 38-50% area. And then also what we've had is a 3-drive, really nice 3-drive to the top here. And so yeah, that was a really good place to sell. So once again, we could, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I might get one more low into here. And if we get that 50 to 60% retracement back, that'll be the place to sell up in here. Otherwise, that might be finished there. So also the other option apart from that one would be, okay, our lows in, 50 to 60% retracements up here. That will give us that move into there to go lower. So also with the Aussie yen here, looking for that move up Monday, and then look for that 50 to 60% sell-off area, whether it comes from there, or whether we get one more low to 81.20, and then rally, sell off. But either way, looking for that pullback here to sell. Yeah, it's about all I've got for now for the Forex. Hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.